Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zakwan and my partnership is Muhammad Hafizy. And today we will explain about Lab 4. So first, we're using a DIG and find the IP address of ulearn.utem.edu.my. So the question is, what is the IP address? So as we can see, we include the output of DIG ulearn.utem.edu.my and plus short. So we get the IP address is 103, 198, 52 and 31 and 31. So this one is output dig ulearn.utem.edu.my for complete output. So next, for the question 2, what is the experience time of this record? So we get the expiration time is 3226 seconds. And then next question, the DIG answer for ulearn include a record of type NS. So what does NS mean? So we need to find the record NS for ulearn, which give the name of the NS server that have name record for a particular domain. The result, we can see the DNS server are responsible for answering requests for name in the ulearn. So as we can see, this the output. If we include the alias A root servers.net ulearn.utem.edu.my and plus no recurs. So next, for number 4, make the comparison in terms of query time between host to server. So the difference between the host to server and the client to the server can vary due to several factors, including network latency, the distance between the entities network, congestion, server load, and caching machine. So the query time for a host to a server is in this case is dig. So maybe faster than the query time for a client to a server because the host is likely to have a more direct and optimized network connection to the server. Additionally, DNS server often implement caching machines to store frequently accessed record, which can future reduce query time for subsequent requests. So next, I will pass to Hafizy.
All right. So thank you, Zakwan, for the explanation of the first task. So for this second task, understanding hierarchy, which means for the question 5, what does this particular command return the names of the root name server? As you know, the principal DNS record for the root domain are kept up to date by a group of authoritative servers known as the root name servers. They are the first step in the DNS hierarchy and critical for domain name resolution. So as we know, the dig2 is told to us for the NS record for the root domain via the dig-ns command, the authoritative name server in charge of top level domains. So in summary, the dig-ns command return to the name of the root name server because it specifically queries the DNS system for the NS record of the root domain, which provide information about the authoritative name serves responsible for the TLDS. For the next question, we use to ask one of the root servers the address of ulen.utem.edu.my without a recursion. So we use the command to get the recursion. We use the dig ulen.utem.edu.my. So we put the IP address that we test run. For the IP address we set 198.41.04. No recurse. So we show the with the IP address of the root server we want to query. The root server have a different IP address and you can choose any one of them. So we put the IP address so we can get the NS server of the Ulen Utem. So and we get it. For the question 7, is it likely that this serve actually know the answer, so they will refer you to serve list of server that might know more, go through the hierarchy from the root without recursion, following the referral manual until you have found the address you need them. Okay. First thing first, we by requiring one of the root server, so we set dig ulen.utem.edu at root server net resource. So we can get the output result and then we set the E1 NIC .my as my second response. So the rest so second note of the TLD name server provide the response. In this case, the TLD name server for the my domain might be listed. For example, we take the A1NIC.my. So we query TLD name servers for the address of ulen.my. We use the dig ulen utem.edu. Explorers e1.nic.my no risk queues. So we see the output. We show the authority section. Maybe has been changed with the first output. So this is second output, and we choose for the to find the IP address of utem ulen, and then we also put the command same as, but we change this utem.edu.my as first we choose the c.mynic.centralnicdns.com. So we can get the utem.edu.my and the output of IP address that we show of the IP address for utem ulen. So as a result, the response from the authorized name server should include the IP address of ulen utem.edu. Look for the E address, record the answer section. So to locate the IP address of ulen.utem.edu.my, manually track the referral from the root servers to the authorized name servers. We use the right name servers we have learned from each stage because the specific TLDS name server and authorized name server may be changed. So that's all from us. Thank you and have a nice day.